Prince reaction. This is a new reaction for you and it's an important reaction. So here the treatment of an alkene with formaldehyde in presence of an acid, you will be getting a 1,3-diol. 1,3-diol will be formed along with a cyclic acetal derived from this and a second molecule of formaldehyde. So let me write the mechanism. First, the alkene will be reacting with the formaldehyde in presence of acid. So, if you are adding acid to formaldehyde, you know this will be protonated. So, double bond H, one lone pair is lost in this manner. So, you can write the resonance structure HCH, OH. Here this carbon will be getting positive charge. Now this will be reacting with our alkene. So this you could write as CH2, electrophile, CH2 plus OH plus alkene, R. So this now becomes nucleophile nature. So this attack will be like this. So R, this carbon is attacking to CH2OH form or CH2OH. So this carbon will be getting positive charge. Now if you are adding H2O, one proton will be eliminated. So H2O that will be attacking here. And this will be getting a positive charge. If you are eliminating H plus, you will be getting R. Here this position CH2OH, this position CH2OH. Here positive charge, അവിടെ ഒരു പോസിറ്റീവ് ചാർജ് വന്നോടത്ത് നമുക്കൊരു OH വരുന്നു R. നമ്പർ ചെയ്യുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ഇവിടെ നമ്പർ ചെയ്യണം 1 2 3. ഓക്കെ, സോ ദിസ് ഈസ് 1 2 3 ഇങ്ങനെ. നൗ അഗെയിൻ ദിസ് വിൽ ബി റിയാക്റ്റഡ് വിത്ത് ഫോർമാൽഡിഹൈഡ് SC ഡബിൾ ബോണ്ട് OH. അപ്പോൾ എന്തുണ്ടാവും, നമുക്ക് മനസ്സിലാവും ഇങ്ങനെ വാട്ടർ എലിമിനേഷൻ മൈനസ് H2O. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് എന്തുണ്ടാവും, ഒരു സൈക്ലിക് ഇൻ്റർമീഡിയറ്റ് പോലെ ഫോം ചെയ്യും. സൈക്ലിക് അസറ്റാലാണ് ഇതിൻ്റെ പ്രൊഡക്റ്റ് എന്നല്ലേ പറഞ്ഞത്, 1,3 സൈക്ലിക് അസറ്റാൽ. സോ ദി പ്രോഡക്റ്റ് വുഡ് ബി, ഇവിടെയാണ് ഫോർമാൽഡിഹൈഡിൻ്റെ കാർബൺ വന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ 2 ഓക്സിജൻ വരും, പിന്നെ ഇവിടെ ഒരു 6, ഇവിടെ ഒരു 6. സോ ദിസ് ഇസ് ദി cyclic acetal. So a Prince reaction is a reaction of an alkene, 6 or trans, whatever may be, in presence of formaldehyde and acid to form a cyclic 1,3 acetal. So that is called Prince reaction. Perkin reaction. So Perkin reaction is a condensation of an acid anhydride with an aromatic aldehyde catalyzed by carboxylate ion to form alpha beta unsaturated ketone. So the reaction, in short, you can write the reaction of an aromatic aldehyde or condensation of aromatic aldehyde with an anhydride catalyzed by its own carboxylate anion. So this is acetic anhydride, so its anion will be CH3COO minus, and the product would be, as I said, alpha beta unsaturated acid. So this will be the product. So this we have studied in 5th sem BSc. Again I will tell the role of anhydride is to provide enolate under the influence of a basic carboxylate ion. So let us see how this is happening. So this is our carboxylate anion, this is acting as base. This carboxylate anion is acting as base. So how this is subtracting a proton from anhydride, let us see. So this is acidic hydrogen, this will be picking this H plus and we will be getting CH2 minus over here. So you will be getting CH2 minus C double bond O, C double bond O, CH3 plus this will be becoming acetic acid ACOH. In the next step, this is now our nucleophile. This is next our nucleophile. So nucleophile will be attacking to aromatic aldehyde, which is our electrophile. So let us write AR C double bond O H. This is our electrophile plus our nucleophile generated from anhydride by carboxylate anion. So this will be attacking aromatic aldehyde in this manner. So you will be getting AR O minus CH2 C double bond O. Carefully you have to number the carbons. O C double bond O CH3. Now let us see the attack from here to this carbonyl in this manner. So you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 membered ring. 6 membered ring. So how it would be? O here AR, here C double bond O, here O, then O minus in this manner. Now what will happen? This O minus will be coming back here in this manner. So AR O C double bond O CH3 means OCO-CH3 acetate group is a good living group. C double bond O minus. Now again acetic anhydride if you are adding, so that acidic proton will be abstracted by from this carboxylate anion from this acetic anhydride. So here you will be getting this will be acetic anhydride, you know, say protecting group, sorry. So this oxygen will be protected by this acetic anhydride. So you will be getting AR. Let me write this like OAC. This is C double bond O, again C double bond O, CH3 will be coming. Now again the remaining portion will be there, carboxylate anion like that. So this will be abstracting proton from, now this is highly acidic in nature, this these hydrogens are acidic in nature. So this will be picking up this acidic proton. So let me write. Deprotonation happened, so you will be getting an anion here, and as I said, this is a good living group, so this will be going like that. So you will be getting an alpha beta unsaturated compound of this sort. Now in presence of acid, this will be cleaved, this deprotection will be happening. So you will be getting AR C double bond OH plus acetic acid anhydride. So that's how the reaction is happening. You will be getting alpha beta unsaturated acid. So let me explain once more this reaction. From acetic anhydride, nucleophile is generated by carboxylate anion. So this is our nucleophile. Now that nucleophile will be added to electrophilic aromatic aldehyde. So you will be getting compound like this. Then this will be attacking again this carbonyl compound. You will be getting a 6-membered ring over here, and this will be coming here. And there is two possibility of withdrawing to, or you can have from this side or this side. So this is happening this side because of the electron withdrawing ability or electronegativity of the carbonyl compound. So this will be opening in this manner. So we will be getting a compound like this. So if you are treating acetic anhydride, this O minus will be protected as OAC. Now again carboxylate anion will be deprotonating this hydrogens, and you will be getting a compound like this. Now this OAC is a good leaving group. This will be eliminated. Then again acetic acid will be in the reaction mixer. So that acetic acid will be doing the hydrolysis of this particular site. We will be getting this one plus acetic anhydride. Now you have to remember in mind that electron withdrawing group in the aromatic ring, this particular ring increases the efficiency of the reaction. Electron withdrawing group in the aromatic ring increases the efficiency of the reaction, whereas electron donating group in the aromatic ring decreases the efficiency of the reaction. So electron withdrawing group in the aromatic ring means it will enhance. Here in this ring, if you are having electron withdrawing group, means it will enhance the electrophilicity of the aldehyde. So reaction will be increasing. So if you have electron donating group within the ring, means the electrophilicity will be somewhat less compared to the neutral one. So that's why this is happening. So that is about Perkin reaction.